How to unlock apps on Android. So if you want to unlock apps on Android, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply scroll down and or you can simply go with the search, which is on the upper right, and then you need to search for applock or app encryption option. So you just need to simply go with the applock or app encryption, and here you will have the option, right? You just need to simply tap on it and verify with your fingerprint or face lock, and here you will have an option of app hiding. Tap on it and you need to simply toggle it on and confirm, and again toggle it on and confirm. And once you've done this, now these apps have been hidden, right? So you just need to simply go back, and now if you try to open the application or just simply search for the application, then you don't have the application. So for example, I've just hidden the application, and once I search the application, then I don't have the application right here. So what you need to do to unhide or unlock the app, you just need to simply go with your settings again, go with the same kind of interface which you've used to lock your apps. So scroll down, go with the security option. Under security, you can go with the app and encryption option and enter your fingerprint or your password, and then go with app hiding, and here you need to go with view hidden apps, and from here you need to toggle it off. Once you toggle it off, now you need to go back, and if you go and search for the application, then you will have the application right here. So that's how you can unlock the apps on your Android and regain the control. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.